When I started making music, I was about 14 years old. I lived at my parents' place at that moment, and I was just looking for a hobby actually. Me and my friend, we had this dream as a young couple of kids, and we had this dream to sometimes or ever becoming a DJ. So we started off building our own, so let's say drive-in thing, you know, like the drive-in discotheque. We built our own desk actually. We measured the sizes of the trunk of our dad so that our desk could fit in actually. So we started playing around in our city, and we played at kids parties, a lot of different parties actually, kids parties, but graduation parties, weddings, all those kind of things. And it actually worked pretty well, as in we kept doing it for about 1 until 2 years, and we got pretty popular here in the neighborhood. We got a lot of gigs. We were playing for about 75 euros a night actually with the two of us, so we earned 35 euros each, which isn't that much, but for that time it was a lot of money actually. So that's the moment where it all started, and to me at that moment music was already really important, because at our home there was always music. No one played in any instrument or whatsoever, but there was always music. When we were driving the car, there was music on the background. When we were at home, there was always music on the background. So in some kind of way, music always played a role in my life, and my parents are still listening to music nowadays every day, and me the same. I really don't like the silence in the room. I always need something on the background, even if it's just really soft or whatsoever. But yeah, that's where it started, and from there it just escalated into more and more and more, and I just played. Then I started playing here in my hometown. From there I started making tracks, producing my own tracks actually, and from there it went really fast because it all spread through the internet. My music was on Beatport and on iTunes, and people know where to find it. So as soon as one of my tracks hit the charts, that's when my first tour came in, and from there it just really exploded. That's where the big things happened actually. So yeah, during the career I did collaborations with Hardwell, Firebeats, Kill the Buzz, of course, Life is Calling. I signed a deal with Anna Agency. I played a lot of parties. I played at Tomorrowland, at the Creamfields, the Revealed stage at Summer Festival in Belgium. I did so many things, and I traveled so much, and it's such a great profession that I just really want you guys to experience the same as I had. So I think this masterclass is for the people who are thinking about beginning, or people who have already begun and want to know more about music production. There will be a few tips and tricks that you could use. You can learn how I always used to do it and what I always thought was the best. But maybe you're not gonna learn anything of it. Maybe you're gonna learn like 10% of it, I'm not sure. This is just my story, and this is how I built my career actually as JoeySuki.